The first spray is like stepping into a world wrapped in silk, smooth, rich, and unapologetically luxurious. Musamam White Intense by Lattafa has been making waves in the fragrance community, with some calling it a masterpiece and others wondering if it's just another hyped release. I decided to put it to the test, both on paper and skin, to uncover the truth. From the opening, you're greeted with an opulent blend of saffron and citrus, a bright yet warm combination that immediately commands attention. This isn't a shy fragrance, it walks into the room before you do. As the minutes pass, creamy florals and soft woods emerge, balancing the richness with a refined elegance. There's a subtle sweetness that whispers rather than shouts, making it feel expensive without being overwhelming. The heart of Musamam White Intense is where it truly shines. Here, the floral notes intertwine with warm amber, creating a deep and comforting aura. This middle phase feels like the scent equivalent of slipping into a cashmere sweater, familiar yet indulgent. As the hours go by, the base reveals hints of musk and resin, leaving behind a trail that lingers long after you've left. Performance-wise, it doesn't disappoint. On my skin, it projected strongly for the first 3 hours and then settled into a softer but persistent presence for the rest of the day. On clothing, it lasted well into the next morning, making it ideal for evening wear, special events, or those days when you want to feel your most confident. Is it worth the hype? If you love luxurious, well-balanced oriental fragrances with both presence and depth, absolutely. But it's not for everyone. Those who prefer light, airy scents might find it too commanding. My advice: wear it when you want to be remembered. So, do you think Musamam White Intense is the next iconic fragrance or just another fleeting trend?